Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some hair color transformations. Gorgeous chocolate brown, perfect for the fall. Next up, we have someone who decided to do a color refresh on their Peekaboo hair color. She got the purple. Ooh, beautiful icy blonde. This is gorgeous. Look at the shine to that hair too. Here we see someone rocking out turquoise. She switched it up with, wow, that looks like mermaid hair. Beautiful arrangement of purple and blue. And then we have another chocolate brown hair color transformation. This is actually a hot one for 2025, believe it or not. Here we have someone else who decided to go blue. It looks like turquoise. Wow, look at that with the makeup and everything. Stunning. So for our next one, we have someone who's going to be trying out the Neapolitan hair color trend. This is one that I've been talking about in several videos now. It's where you do the chocolate, the vanilla, and the strawberries, which is usually pink. But instead of pink, she's going to be doing blue. So she's going to have the chocolate, the vanilla, and then blue. I am going to do a full video on this trend because it is all over TikTok right now. And it's just such a fun way to play with color. Look how that came out. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then to top it all off, she got layers to cut to the hair as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Her hair is down to her knees. She's got this long, dark hair. And this is the same stylist that just did the previous color, so you know he is going to turn things up a notch with some more color. That's a lot of hair to play around with too, I will say. Oh, whoa, oh my goodness. Oh, Little Mermaid. Wow. Oh, wow. That is some bold red. Can you imagine having your hair that long with your hair that red? Like, that is just, wow. Insane. She is definitely going to be turning some heads, that's for sure. Next up, we have someone who wants to go pink. This, of course, is perfect for the summer. So many girls like to go pink for the summer. Especially last year, like when everyone was like watching the Barbie movie and it was like Barbie everything. $50 Shades of Pink. Oh, she got extensions too. So she has some side swept bangs going there in the front. This is super cute. It's like the perfect shade of pink as well. So here we have that same stylist. Let's see what he ends up doing with this client's hair. She already has like, she was doing like the contrasting peekaboo trend. Whoa. Oh, she went yellow. Oh, wow. Now, this is a color that is definitely not on my radar, but I think it looks super cute, especially with the bangs. Definitely a fun hair color idea. It was a situation. So she's going from brown to orange. So pretty much this woman was probably at the salon all day trying to get this orange hair color. Because there's no way that this was done like in a couple of hours. Like this was an all-day process probably. Ooh, this came out, wow, that color looks breathtaking. Absolutely gorgeous. So we have another contrasting color peekaboo trend going on here. Blonde and red on the top. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these cute hair color ideas that you can play around with. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.